attacking deficiency in the side. So Hearts will be trying to become more dangerous.
Coach Ofiano, ex-Galco chairman, ushering in the two teams and the officials. Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra Hearts of Oak, the two most successful clubs in the country. See the display of the Ghana flag as well as the flag of the Parliament of Ghana. Hearts of Oak, ever present with those flags. Michael, what's the secret to that?
So the players were seen hoisting white handkerchiefs to signal victory for them even before the game starts. It's an interesting one, but they will definitely be brimming with confidence. The last time they visited here, they left with a 1-0 victory, securing the 3 points in the bag. And let's see, they will come here also wanting to spoil ASANTE KOTOKO's party. So
ever with the white handkerchiefs. Never would you see any of these two sides take these games as just a normal game, regardless what it stands for. It's a big one today in Kumasi, and this will be the third Democracy Cup. Hearts of Oak, Benjamin Asari, excellent at the World Cup, leading the Phobians out today. And as you can see, the Hearts of Oak fans, these pleasantries. You can see the two sets of teams. And I'll get close as we wait for Hearts of Oak's technical team and substitute players to have their fair share. The team manager Henry Corte, the Butcher couple, Richard Kenson, former Black Stars fan. Benjamin Asari will be very much glad. The toss of the coin, and Hearts of Oak, Benjamin Asari wins the toss, and he decides to choose their favorite side to defend. That is the Asokwa end, just where the scoreboard is. And that is where Hearts of Oak have always opted for. So Kotoko will kick off the game.
it's an interesting one, and that is in the green stands. That is exactly where the Hearts of Oak fans mostly sit whenever they come to town. And they will be cheering their team on, mostly in games like this.
Take Kotoko, two returnees, former captains Richard Boadu, central midfielder, Danla, the goalkeeper in there. Sanja, new player from Vision, Obokwajaman Mama, new attacking pair, and Beta. And Kader also in the midfield with Inus Adams, who's being impressive on the right-hand side of attack. Joseph Amoa drops into central defense to partner Hamzata. Interesting line.
And there are interesting dynamics around it, as many as 7 new players.
As many as 7 new players. Benjamin Asari had to put corner kick. Charles Bulu would have to restore order inside the penalty area. And the centre-back, Joseph Amoa, steps up for the corner kick down the right-hand side of Kotoko's attacking area. Joseph Amoa with an in-swinger decides to go near post, but Ali Mohammed heads it out. For the second opportunity for him to redeem himself. He goes in width, now swinger, and Benjamin Asari parries it away for a third corner kick. And Leslie with an in-swinger, and also a very poor one cleared by Ali Mohammed. Had to focus with an opportunity to counter. But John Entry, his pass has been intercepted. Joseph Amoa feeds it up to Sanja. Hussein picks up the ball in the shooting position. He goes in with a drive, bounces right in front of Danlad, but picks it up with ease. Good strike from Hussein, testing Ibrahim Danlad. Here, Inusa dribbles past one man. He's been brought down. Revis says nothing doing. Very good offensive work there from Ali Mohammed. And Hatofo will be on their bikes. Kakari over the halfway line.
Traits of having versatility in him. He can play as a midfielder, can play
and a very good delivery there from Sanja. Nupokwajima was late to it, but the experience of Benjamin Asari, it wasn't in any rush, and he picked it up coolly, ridden it. Throwing quickly, effective inside the penalty area. Martin Kakari sets in a delivery. Ball drops in, and acrobatic drive there from Banto. Ball on the south side. Casillas' left foot shot blocked by Amo and Hamzata. Banto down the right hand side of Patrick Asiedu. Quickly whip it away for a throwing. Throwing quickly effected. And the Butcher couple will plunge out with a delivery. And Hatofo will clear the lines. SCB. Better helps Sanja to win back possession for Kotoko. Sanja decides to check in. Finds Asiedu. Asiedu with a long drive. But he misses the... And he wants Sanja to be getting closer. Hussein down the left-hand side. Waiting for Ransford Mensah. Picks up the pass. Ransford. A delivery inside the penalty area. Ball not fully cleared. Got Hatofo goal. Ball comes off the hand. And Danlad comes out to save it. But it's a handball. Banso. And you can see the frustration from Banso. Danger.